Okay, I am running a line, a tubing from the RO system to the refrigerator. So I'm gonna run under the cabinet. I'm gonna take out the door and everything and drill the hole through, go up and down and around, go through there, all the way around, and through this right here. And here's the line. I'm gonna do that, and I go across here, then to the refrigerator. So I'm gonna disconnect the existing line, and then I'll hook up the new line from the RO system to the refrigerator. There. So I drilled the hole here. I'm gonna run the tubing. You run the tube. Okay, so I pull out the dish washer and the door, and drill the holes around under the cabinet and the stove, and went across. So make sure that you don't kink the tube. That way you won't have problem with the water or a leak. So I drill the holes and the tube here under here, and then basically make it pass through, and then tuck it in under here. Just like that. And for the stove, I make sure I let it go under here, all the way in there, drill the hole through the cabinet, and then I make sure I tape it down or anchor, kind of anchor the tube down, so that way when I pull this out, in and out, it won't hit. And then I try to make sure the tubing is away from the outlet of the stove in the back, so make sure it's away from it. Okay, so the tube went through the wall, the sheetrock, and then right here I am gonna add the valve that the on and off, shut off, open and shut off. This one right here. So I have two shut off on and off valve, one right here and one under the sink, and that way when the water leak or something, I go ahead and then I can run quickly to here and then turn this off. And if it leak right in the middle, I go to the under the sink. So this is the before it the connection before the line that hook up to the refrigerator. I use something like this. So I mount against the sheetrock, the wall right here, to hold the tube. So I don't want to kink the tube, so make sure it's kind of loose, don't kink it. And I mount that. It does come with the zip tie. It's really nice. And just like that, and then I run across under here, then to the refrigerator. Okay, I tape the end of the tube, the end of the open. That way when I drill the hole right here. See, I drill the hole right here, and I push through. I feed through that hole. I tape it because I don't want the sheetrock and stuff to get in the open. I don't want to get it dirty. And I use the electrical wire, so it's a straight wire, and I feed it through the wall, through the sheetrock. So here on this side, on the back of the refrigerator, this is the connection. It uses 1/4 OD tubing, and this and this tube, it's the same size. So I am going to make a connection right here. I cut it, and I use the push-in type, like a shock bite type, for the connection. And on this side, I make the connection right here. So I cut right here. Some water might spill. There. Okay, this is the connection. So this will go to the refrigerator on the other side of the room. Okay, now I'm done with the line. So from the RO system under the sink, the water line, to the faucet for drinking water is filtered, and instant hot water is also filtered for hot water for drinking. And the lines, the tube went through the cabinet to this behind that door, and the refrigerator on the other side. Okay, this is the only way I can get the tube to the other side. So I know some of you will say that the refrigerator already has the filter in place, but you know what, extra filter I think is better. So that's why I hook the line to the refrigerator from the RO system. So this is, I run there, through there, all the way in there, and to the side, and to the back. There. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you guys have a good night, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye now.